Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Clever Clones Tuition Classes. So today we are trying to discuss about chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, and this class is useful for class 10. So you guys have to focus. So first of all we have to understand that how can we find out AP. So what is AP? AP means arithmetic progression. So whenever you have to find out AP, first of all you have to check it that it is correct AP or not. Okay, so the natural number one, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5 up to so on. Is this an AP? Is this an AP or not? Let me check. Here the first number is 1. So your A, it means the first term is 1, and and you have to find out the difference between two numbers. So D, it means difference between two terms. So A2 minus A1. So 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1. It means that difference is 1, and difference remains the same till all the terms. It means that it is an AP. Because difference will be same for all terms. Now, if you want to find out 50th term, you can find out 50th term in here, which is 50. But suppose this thing is given, this AP is given 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 up to so on. So for this AP, you have to find out 50th term. So how can you find it out? You don't find out like this way 50. But for this way, we have one formula for finding 50th term. The formula is An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, where your A is equals to first term, your D is equals to difference, your n is equals to number of terms. Here number of terms is 50. Okay, and An is equals to nth term. So here we have to find out 50th term. So here our n is equals to 50 and An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here our A is 2 and the difference between two terms is 2. Okay, so your A is equals to 2 and your difference between two terms 4 minus 2, which is also equals to 2. So here A is 2 plus 50 minus 1 into 2. So first of all we have to solve this bracket. 49 multiplied by 2, because 50 minus 1 is 49 over here, and we have to multiply that number by 2. So 49 2s are 18, 1 carry over. I think so it is 98. 98 plus 2, which is equals to 100. So your 50th term is equals to 100. I hope you like this lecture. I hope you can practice more, and I hope you can understand this concept. Thank you so much.